Hello guys, so today we are gonna play Daycare 2 Story.
Wait.
Okay, Z. And welcome to my channel.
I misclick.
Wait, did you just misclick, bro?
I misclick.
Let's go to the... Bro, there's only one player here. Never mind. Di na sa unahan ako. Lo.
Guys,
Dito ikaw tabi, Z.
this Wawayan.
Yeah, we didn't play this for a while now. The last time Z were addicted to this game.
Yes.
We keep playing this until we get new scores.
Yeah. And don't sell me copycat. I'm not a copycat.
Nobody did sell you a copycat, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Um,
Bro, you're not dumb.
just leave.
Daycare 2 Story.
Whatever this.
Guys, welcome to the daycare. Bro, we're not kids. We're not.
Ako.
we're-
Ready? Sigaw ako.
Z, we're not kids, diba? We just.
Sigaw na ako. Sigaw. Ay, like.
Bro, we're not kids, right, Z? We just wanna play it again, right? Hey everyone, you finally arrived.
I'm just again.
My name is Sarah, and I am very happy to welcome you all to the new daycare. Let's head inside. It's cold out here. They are farting. Ma'am, papasok naman. Z, kunin ko muna yung sword, Z. Are you acting like a baby? Like, oh my god. Z, pipaint ako.
Ako mamumuni.
Pipaint ako mamaya. Na kailangan natin. Z, sa table din mo. You got me true. You're in. Face to face. Claim to face. Our people father. My voice. Pabayaan mo na, Z. Mamaya na natin open. Pipaint muna ako. Z, dito ang paint section, oh. Sa unang pasukan natin. I'ma paint here. Z, I'm painting. No! Wow, I don't care.
Thank you.
Oh, sa may playground pala, oh. Nalaro ko sa playground. Wee!
Ate.
Wee! What? Ako din. Yay! I don't care. Di ako pipili. Lalaro kami. Yay! Z, tabi tayo, Z. Dito ang X-Team. Dito ako may mix. X-Team tayo. No! No! Guys. Z, ibang team. No, Z, ibang team. Pabayaan mo na. Set.
Go.
Go! Z, you know what? Nanood na lang ako. Z, may isa pang bola dito, oh.
Let's start this.
May isa pang bola. Pabayaan mo na, Z. Z, may Mr. Mees. Mr. Mees. Mau. Oh. Z, why is there? Yo, I can scream. Z, may pera. Yo. Z, dito, oh, may whistle. Press start. Pinindot ko eh. May bat dito, Z. Gagi! Dito may bar. Di ko makuha. Anday. Get the bus! Get the bus! Yes!
No, I believe you.
Let me check y'all!
Yeah, the bus.
Dude, there's no extra bar.
What?
You're soft, bro.
No, I'm my.
See? Let's open. I'm hungry. Sabi. Yan, hungry yan. Zay, punta ako sa taas. Zay, di ba may mga food din doon?
Yeah.
Punta, anong room tayo pupunta? Sige, sana ako.
Mana, awanin ko na eh. Malapad na ako. Oh yeah.
I still get an apple. I still can get an apple, bro. I'm not a boy.
I found a plastic cola. In this room.
Found the money.
Ate, dito.
Oh, wait. Let me open.
Dami man.
Bro, let me just get my hamburger.
Oh, wait.
Do this. From cellphone.
Ate, punta ka dito. Tag. Dito sa likod mo.
No.
Sorry.
Tingnan ako. Tingnan ko muna ang mga girls. No. Wala naman yun, B.
I'm not.
There's a black cola in the girls' room.
Ate, gachapti ko na.
Okay.
Okay.
I got an apple. Let me get this block.
Oh!
Oh my god, there's money. No.
Ate, sorry, bada.
3, 2, 1.
We're gonna hide.
See, we are already strong.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, breaking news.
I don't care. Subscribe button.
See, itong naano natin ah. Yesterday, a daycare has been attacked by a big monster. Yeah, what do you mean daycare? Reports say that the children have managed to escape. However, the monster is still on the loose. Oh my god, bro. Beware, as the monster is followed by his loyal minions. Bro, if you see the monster, report it to the police immediately. Bro, it's laggy. Keep all doors and windows shut to keep safe. Oh
Oh no.
oh no.
Oh no.
Now, dito ako sa mga blocks. We are going to die. Did I make it to the square block? I jumped, bro. I have a bat. Get off, everyone. Jump. Jump. Yes, dito lang ko. Prepare your bat, bro. Prepare your bat. Duh. Dito naman kayo. Z, open natin Z yung mga paintings mamaya. Okay, guys. I'm attacking Z right now. Bro. Hey. What is that outside? Oh my god, it's the monster. Bro.
God, that's the man.
Bro. You're not a girl. Dot. Phew, it has gone away. Oh my god. I got the bat. I got the bat. Pasok kayo dito. Meron na dito.
Wait pa ako.
Yan. Car, nahulog. Z. Use your bat, Z. Dito ako mag-hit, Z. Tapos dyan ka hit.
Okay.
Kaya mahulog yung monster. Guys, we're going to survive.
Fortnite!
Oh my god. What
Oh my
happened to
God.
that monster?
Oh my god, this suck.
Somebody died.
This
Fornadia. Fornadia.
iPhone!
Aray. Z, mamatay na ako. Mama.
Sabi si Karen. Sabi si Karen. iPhone!
Dito ako. Okay.
I'm gonna eat.
Go eat, bro.
Bye-bye. I'm gonna eat this.
Zay, she's the only one who survived, bro.
I'm dead.
How did you died? You can respawn, bro. Oh, hey.
Bucks.
You know what? Let me die too. You know what? Let's go to another game, like the other video, guys. So,
Please friend request me.
what do you mean friend request you, bro? You already friend request you.
I mean my fans,
Z.
members.
Zay, yo, our old game that we played. Let's play that. Let's play that. Okay, guys, let's play Trap a Thief.
I did play that
Yeah, bro, but I really need to literally skip my day. I'm literally 57 days. I
Guys,
literally skipped 1 month.
please don't tell Twix.
What do you mean, Twixel? You're a friend of Twixel.
No, Bob thinks his name.
Wait, what? So you're friends of the YouTubers? How many? Z, we're literally the same. 57 days. Z, today let's skip it. Let's skip it. Let's skip it. Z, let's skip it.
Help! Ako pindot!
Where are you, bro?
Ito! Help!
No. Oh,
I'm gonna use it.
okay, bro. Z, let's skip the day, Z. Let's survive day 60. Because we literally died 57.
Is pag we down. Tingnan ako.
Don't say 6-7, bro. Or rip.
W! Ate Bob.
10,000 likes, new code. Type enter code 6161. Code not found.
Nope.
Zero not here.
Tingnan ako.
Let's go, bro. For na tayo.
Ay, good. Try to
Normal. Select
fake.
player 2.
Wait.
Go. Z.
Oh,
Yes.
wait.
Okay, guys, now let's load.
Bacon, is that you? My ball? Bacon.
I didn't.
Bacon.
I thought I didn't load, bro.
Bacon, fun at me.
What do you mean it's name game? Headless Alien
Fun mo
Games.
ako. I'm sorry.
Don't let the
Sorry,
robbers
I'm
take
sorry.
all your furniture. Hey, sweetie. Dad and I will be out for a while. The furniture should... What? I literally didn't read it. Excuse me. Z, now let's get the box. Ay, Z, dito Z, nalagay natin siya sa gilid. Sa gilid natin, ano Z, always.
Ito,
Use item. Oh, chair! Dito natin lalagay.
May sky box.
Don't let the robbers steal.
Help me at the stove.
You're not choking. Is there any boxes left?
Nothing.
Okay, it's clear. Z, baka Z sa baba. Z, meron pa.
Wala.
Okay, wala na. Dali, Z.
Wala.
Let's use the crowbar. Wala.
Body screaming scary.
It's not scary, bro. We're literally attack.
I'm scared.
Z, remember Z that we literally destroyed all the robbers, Z. Diba Z, na-explode natin robbers dito lahat, Z? Diba? Z, bro, the furniture's here.
Where's the...
Bro. It's going down. Prepare for Nadia! Bro.
Where's dog?
Bibili ako din ng trap box. Bibili ako trap box. Bibili din ako ano box. Yes! Dami! Dito ko si gamitin. Holy shit.
Oh, boom.
Dito siya mga sa akin ah.
Dito masakin ate.
We don't have that.
Oh, dami to ah.
Bro, I always got the bombs.
What other bombs?
At least, oh, sige. Okay. Guys, let's add this, guys.
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
It's my tito. Ito, video. Come on.
Yeah, that's our tito. Oh my god.
Oh my God, guys.
Bro, di tulungan mo ako. Ang dami. Hindi ko malagay. Yung iba dito sa gilid.
And guys,
Bro, Z, yung iba. Yung iba nag-glitch dito. Oh my god.
guys. Oh, I forgot.
Z, someone's glitching. Perfect. Use item. Get up. Ay, ang dali lang pala eh.
Na agad.
Oo. Z, soon, di ba, ano natin? Guys, we're gonna survive. Trap books, di ba? Ano trap box? May mga ano Z, dami kong
Ano tuloy? Tira, dadaas na.
Z, bibili ako sa mga furniture Z para dadaming pera natin. May chair na naman. Never mind. Z, got a light! Guys, so let's... Z, I got 2 lights in a row. I got some light. 3 lights na Z.
Yeah.
Sige, save some for me. Oh, Gogi. Z, may gun na ako, Z. May gun na ako.
Okay.
Bro, why did I use it? Let's go.
And
Wait, you buy some more? Zif! Gun mo siyo. Sabi ko sa'yo, useful eh. Z, I'm gonna buy some more furniture. And trap box. Ano tira sa trap box? Bibili ako furniture. Ano sila pa natin? Z, what are you doing? Wow. Yes, nagbilang sila po. Bilang ako yung item ko. Anong box? Box. Hala. See, we got so many lights. In 3 boxes.
Mami! Hungry ako!
Okay, she's hungry. Ooh, oh my god, guys.
Save me for... guys.
This gonna get you can do something bro. Bro, you're so lucky. Oh my, let me get one for me.
Guys.
Bro, you haven't get another gun.
Sayang to.
Wait, let me open it all. Bro, are you serious?
Stop.
Are you serious right now, bro? What? How is it stuck? Z, sa'yo naman yun ah.
Ito?
Hindi, yung gun next time pag meron ulit. May mga item box pa tayo.
Please watch Ate for the AFK.
Please be AFK though. Cause he's gonna eat. La 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 la. Pork nuggets. Pork nuggets. Z, ang dami na tayong lights, Z. In just boxes. Right. Z, we're gonna survive so many days here. Or 1 million. There go the computer. Ayo. Bibili na ako ah. Ako din, meron pala.
Ate, saka na yung lobo.
Ay. Sa akin to.
Ate, ate. Bahan na ako. Ate, lang ito.
Wait lang. Z, yung gun mo.
Assignment calling. Guys, what's happening? My sister. And then
I'm not your sister, bro. I'm your pinsan.
Not just this. It's the same, bro.
That's not the same.
And that.
I'm not your sibling. I'm not your sibling, brother. Ooh, item box. Yarn.
And guys.
I don't wanna get this. See? You just make it more difficult for us. I don't even need this. I need you for defense. Tada, see? Look, I have defense. Yes, you are. Okay, let me open it. Okay, guys. Kasi, kunti ko lang na, ano. Paano may box dito? Movie box. Yarn. Another normal box, bro. Okay, now let's...
Guys, please wait.
This is gonna be AFK, bro.
Where will we go from?
Lagay ko sa'yo yung iba. Dami na kasi sa akin eh. Bibili na ako trap box. Box pala. Yes, I think so. And bibili pa ako bodyguard box. What I mean. Zero burst index appears in day 5. Z, may war 1 tayo, Z, sa day 5.
Ikad na?
Hindi.
Good box.
Item box. Okay. Yo! 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 Yay! Take.
Zombie!
Haba.
Zombie!
Wow, naglalakad lang. Z, si Selby yan yung isa?
Yeah.
Bakit may aso dito? Di naman yan kasama eh. Z, pabayaan mo na Z. Pang-protektahan na lang natin yan. No? Use item. Z, dami na nating light. Okay. Now let's put that there. Okay, now let's use the item. Guys, this may be a long video. I don't know. But let's survive. Right, Z?
Yeah.
Di pa ubos ng box. Ng box? Anong box? Puro box na. Box lang ako. Dapat box. Bro. Pronounce ko gagi. Z. Let's go. Z, you're literally in the couch right now, sitting. Die. Mau 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 mau. Mau 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 mau. I also have a flamethrower, so I can literally kill them. Okay, now let me eat. Z, I'ma be AFK. Oh my god, what? Maybe later, maybe later. So much item box, bro. Box again, man. Bro, let me put this to my inventory. I don't even need it.
W food.
Well, Z, you keep saying W food, bro. Okay, now let me eat now. Oh, trap box. Bro, only one nurses. Okay, guys, we're literally gonna win. It's literally what day is it? What day is it, bro? What day is it? Night 8. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? Okay, I'm gonna be AFK too. Yeah, honestly, you're pretty true. The food is good. Mga pusa, umalis kayo. Naglalagay na nga kami ng trap eh. Patay na sila agad dito, Z, diba? Dami nang nilagay natin. At masa-survive na tayo. Sa gabi, AFK tayo. Tas sa araw, hindi. Yay, skip. Bro, are you serious right now? Nag-add pa ako. Gagi Z, may mga rubber na sa'yo, Z. Oh, an item again. Z, you know what? Let's save the money. Save natin money, Z, ah. Z, let's save money. Guys, I'm gonna save money. Skip the night, bro. Z, I'ma save money, okay? One new message. You know what, Z? What? Jeff, die. Go to my trap, my fellow brother. Come to my trap, my fellow brother. Yay, dead. Yay. Now, I'ma be AFK, guys. I'ma save money, bro. Z, kalimutan ko pala. Bili pa ako trap box, Z. I'm not gonna save, bro. Gogi, Z, kasi some, Z. Alam mo, some dito nagsaspawn na dito sa harapan. So, please, bro. Skip the night. I'm ready for my crowbar. Honestly, Z, I'ma be AFK. You can be AFK the whole time. Yeah, bro, but there's still so not. Z, remember, Z, the last day that we literally got so many pets, even filled the room. Diba? Okay, let me eat.
Nabili din ng water.
Bro,
Ate, nabili din ako.
are you serious right now?
Nabili din ako. Yan lang. Ate, bili ko lang tatlo hati. Ate, bili ko lang tatlo.
Dami na dyan. Lalagay ko na dito, Z. In case. Kasi, next time sa start natin to. Pupunta sila sa door. First, sa window muna sila. Next, sa start sila sa door. Ganon, Z.
Okay.
Dati, Z, dami kong flamethrower dito, Z. Nakaharap sa door, Z. Tapos, ang kunti lang na, Z. Criminals pumapasok. Natakot nga sila, eh.
Yummy ba?
Yeah.
Ang perfect ng pagkaluto ko ngayon. Ang sarap.
Okay. Never mind that. Never mind that. Never mind that, guys. Die. Die. Okay, let me be AFK when it's night. I can literally survive. Bro lang kunti. Pag mas madami na dito, Z, ilagay na natin Z sa own natin. Diba? Z, yung kunti sa'yo, Z. Lagay ko nga sa'yo. Okay. Z, you're already AFK all the time. So, I do all the work? Ha? I do all the work, Z? Excuse me?
Ito muna.
Bro, I do all the work all the time.
Ito na lang.
O later na anak. Lalangawin yung anak ko.
Nam nam.
Sa amin.
Now it's my turn to be AFK and you do all the things.
I must be given.
Are you serious right now, bro? It's your turn. You're gonna drink.
Iwan ko later ha.
Okay.
Takpan ko.
Mm-mm.
Ayun mo yan.
I'm back. Guys, what's saying?
Guys, it's literally night 14 right now.
I remember that sound. That sound, I remember that.
Di nagbili ako bodyguard. Another zombie, bro.
My God.
Why?
Skip. Skip na ako.
Sige, welcome to. Sabi ko sa'yo, nag-spawn na sila eh. Oo, so ano. The last time dito ko nilagay dami eh. Haya.
Bibili ako blue eye.
Next, bibili ako trap box. You know what? Item box.
Blue eye.
Magbibili din ako purple soon. Tulungan kita. Yan na naman yung dugo. Dugo na naman. Also, I like the sound. Ginagaano pa yun. Ganito kasi ako para ma-avoid ka. I think that's a good thing to put it there, though. Bro, just skip the night. You're just wasting your time, bro. Oh. Howdy, girl. Oh. My God. I really need to get a top though. I mean, Bork? Yarn. I'll get the purple. For more bodyguard. I mean, I literally can't get it. So, you're literally broke. You know what? Let me get more. Control my bow. Bah.
Stop. Kanina.
Yeah. Oh my God, dami. And you wasted the money. You just wasted that for nothing, bro. And now we're broke. Zee, may bandages ako. Kunin ko ah. Dami ng bandages na kinagamit ko ah. Dami naman green pa, may infinite na. Yeah, I'm not ready to. Why you have to buy everything? Excuse me. Ozzy, may panglagay ng fire, oh. Fire yarn. Oh my God, I'm stuck. Yeah, bro. And guys, wait. Lexico. No. Nugget. See what happened to that thing?
What happened?
I don't know, bro. That's your fault.
I forgot my thing.
You forgot your planks, bro. Why don't you just help me here? Di ba yung rat, I see rat you dito? Sa consume bodyguard box because we need more. Also, I'll get the item box. But are you serious? O, diba? Dito training ako dito. Kaya. Oh my God. Oh my, hindi, I'm gonna be AFK. The little is dead. AFK ng AFK. Ikaw ng stun. Ito? Ikaw nagbili? Hindi ka nagbili, Zay. Yung green box. Yan, yung pinapabili ko. Trap box. Always get wood plank, bro. Z? Sunzi, alam mo Z? Sunzi.
Bibili ako wood box, ha? Bili ako wood box.
Okay. Z, pag marami. Skip. Z. Meron natin titingnan kung anong night na tayo. Pag malapit lang tayo, skip na tayo. A-add ko na dito.
Ate, bibili
Oh.
ko mga...
Sige, ako din bibili na. Lo.
Box?
Oo, bibili na ako always eh. Kaya na madami. Para mamatay sila. Oh, I forgot about this purple thing. Yay, dami na tayong animal.
Ano ka na?
No. You're literally there in the item.
Sunod box.
Yay! What the robber? Paano? Shit. Di pa may robber sa morning? Pala. Diba? Diba?
Shoot me, di ba pa? Yes.
Bibili na ako siya, trap box. Sige. I'm gonna be AFK.
Money is the best.
And I'm gonna be wasting the money.
Good box.
I'm gonna be wasting the money. See, I literally buy the trap box. Okay. Let me be. Oh my god. I'm gonna eat first.
Nothing but.
Bro, there's only a little trap box.
Ate, ako my base.
Then what is your base?
Hello, dito.
I already know, bro. Honestly, where are you? Okay, found it. Skip!
Skip!
Hindi mo naman pinindot yung skip eh. Save na nga din ako money. Ganon. Z. Appears day 15. Appears day 20. Ha? Tutulog na ako dito forever. Save. You know what, Z? Z. I-reach natin yung pera natin to 2 million. Yung half this 1 million sa ito sa akin, half 1 million din. Yun nga eh. Skip. Babalik na ako tago sa bahay ko. I'ma be AFK. Okay. Hmm? Why is it Bigfoot, bro?
Fresh meat.
Fresh meat? Excuse me.
Is you daw.
Extra. What? Building a base? Just skip, Z. Skip na. I'm gonna put this in my inventory. Keep barking, bro. Do not bye going to the base. I'ma be AFK again. Yeah, bro. Yeah. No, bro, it's not funny. Z, the dog is stuck. Z, it's protecting our base. That's why it's stuck. We survived day 57. Z, malapit na 1 million. Pag 1 million, Z, 1 million left. What?
Stop!
Dami. Palo na ang puwet nila, oh. Palo ang puwet. Di, pabayaan mo na yun, Z. Dead na sila. Yay. Me. I eat the cookie.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Ang pangagal?
Z, where are you? Where are you, bro? Z, I'm going to my bedroom. Bye. Z, pwede ka makapunta sa 2 floor, Z. I mean, 2 floor, 2nd floor. Ditong room ko sa taas, oh. Itong room ko. Pero Z, bababa na ako. Skip na, Z, skip. Wait. Takbo, dito ako tago. Well, yeah, they're cooked. They're cooked, bro. They're cooked. Z, saving money, bro. We already got 1 million. Use item. Okay, guys. I think this is the end of the video. So, bye. Bye, guys.